Well, you're gonna change everyone's oil in the neighborhood?
Well, that's the plan. Look. This Fab Heavy Parts oil drain pan is a beast. As y'all can see, 185 pounds on top of this thing like nothing. It is solid. So this is the Fab Heavy Parts 20-gallon oil drain pan with an electric pump. If you ever spill hot oil on the floor, this is about to change your life. All right, guys, so one of the reasons I hate using this thing right here is because, look, I just changed the oil on my daughter's car, and check this out. My brand new shirt, boom, boom, look at the pan. Everything splashes everywhere. This thing was full up here to the top. I thought I was gonna make a mess on the floor as well. So what did I do? Even though I did buy this one, I still use this one, guys. I'm pretty sure a lot of people do the same thing. But now I'm gonna clean this bad boy up, get all that mess out, throw away my clothes, and use this one from now on. So this is the Fab Heavy Parts 20-gallon oil drain pan with an electric pump. Normal oil changes suck. You miss the oil pan, oil splashes everywhere, the pan fills up, and then you're stuck lifting 20 pounds of oil, not trying to spill it. This Fab Heavy Parts pan holds 20 gallons and pumps the oil out for you. No lifting, no mess, no guessing, and super clean because you don't have to even get your hands dirty to pump the oil out. And just like that, I didn't even have to lift the vehicle. All the oil is in there, no mess, no splashing anywhere. And bring it right back to the garage and start the recycling process, guys. Most electric pumps choke when they're hot or when oil gets thick, but this one is a beast. Spilled oil isn't just messy, it is also a slip hazard, a fire hazard, and a pain to clean. This 20-gallon oil pan keeps everything simple. Yes, this is pretty big, but for shops, garages, or anyone with 2 or more vehicles, this makes sense. If you have to change your oil on your vehicles all on the same day, you can see how difficult it would be draining everything from the small pans. Super easy way to transfer the oil from there to your jug to go and recycle. All right, guys, so you decide one oil change or all your vehicle's oil changes at the same time. More convenient, easier to carry, and easier to put back in the jug for recycling. Alrighty, guys, so if you change your own oil, tools like this save you time, money, and your back. This 20-gallon electric oil pan is built for anyone who's tired of spills, lifting hot oil, or plain don't drop it across the shop floor. It drains oil, stores it, and pumps it out for you. No manual lifting, no mess. Capacity, guys, is 20 gallons. Power is 110 volts. Material is heavy-duty metal tank. The hose is about 6 feet long, and it's got heavy-duty casters for rolling around in the shop. And guys, this thing is super simple to put together. Don't need that many tools. So this oil pan is basically indestructible, guys. Check out those welds. Guys, this is heavy duty metal. Heavy duty. As y'all can see, 185 pounds on top of this thing like nothing. It is solid. And there's the pump. You got this piece of metal here protecting it in case something drops on it, it doesn't break it. And guys, this bad boy is metal as well. Metal. So guys, this thing is very well built. Look at the casters, solid casters. There it is, guys.
Well, you're gonna change everyone's oil in the neighborhood?
Well, that's the plan. Look how big that bad boy is. That's a 20-gallon oil drain pan. You could probably, hey, you could use it as a skateboard. Go ahead, girl. Whoa, whoa. It's pretty solid. You see the casters and everything on it, straight up metal beast. I know you want one. That's all you could do. Go ahead and grab it for you. I'll give it to you for Christmas next year.